Hi, good morning, guys. So there was a dip in the markets last night. That was by 10, thereabouts, hope I'm correct about the time. And Bitcoin went from just around 10 to $10,200 per Bitcoin and went down to about 95. Well, I was able to, get into one or two positions and hoping for the best. But in the long term, Bitcoin is going to get to 20K. Bitcoin is going to get to $100,000. I'm at the airport right now. We're going to Port Harcourt for an event. So Bitcoin is going to get to $20,000. Bitcoin is going to get to $100,000. When is this going to happen? I don't know. But the main point is that it's definitely going to happen. Right? So don't panic and sell. Don't panic and sell. Bitcoin has had um, different time times and seasons where sometimes it will dip to as low as minus 70%. So yes, here's a good view of the airport. And in 2018, Bitcoin went from $20,000 to $3,500. That's pretty bad, right? That's really, 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 really not good. But that's the market cycle. And what caused that crash was because of uh, the ICO crash and the old Ponzi scheme crash. But right now, Bitcoin is moved by pure demand, or cryptocurrency as a whole is moved by pure demand and supply. There's no Ponzi scheme driving cryptocurrency. The last boom in cryptocurrency was driven by ignorance and by Ponzi scheme. This last one is driven by pure demand and supply and the future of money. The future of money is digital, right? We've seen Facebook as a company attempting to build their own cryptocurrency called Libra. We've seen JP Morgan going into cryptocurrency and blockchain. Twitter, the CEO of Twitter, tweeting about Bitcoin, going for Bitcoin events. He even came to Nigeria, to talk about Bitcoin. So cryptocurrency is the future. We're in a bullish season. There's no doubt about that. Yeah, is it going to go straight up, boom? No, 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 no. That's not how it works. It's to go up and down, maybe from 10,000 to 10,200 and come down to 95, and then maybe to 10,500, come down to 10,2. It should just keep going up and down like that. But those that have weak hands, weak hands will sell off at the loss and get off the market. But if you know the future, if you know the future of money is not fiat, the future of money is not physical, then you wouldn't just quickly sell off your positions, right? Now do make sure you make your research. Don't buy cryptocurrency because I said so. Don't buy because someone else says so. Buy because you know this is the future. You've done your research and you have a good position. Now don't also wait until your government tell you cryptocurrency is the future. Buy cryptocurrency, or we have our own cryptocurrency, before you believe cryptocurrency is the future. That by then it will be too late. You're supposed to buy cryptocurrency when nobody believes in it. You're supposed to buy Bitcoin when nobody's talking about it, because when people are talking about it, it's already too late. People that bought into Facebook when nobody knew about it, and today they are already millionaires and billionaires in dollars. So you buy into Facebook when nobody knows about it. You buy into Twitter shares. You know what I mean? Buy into. I'm talking about taking a share of the company. Buying shares. Right. So those are bought shares from Facebook and all those early companies, Amazon and the rest. They are billionaires today in dollars. So you don't buy into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin when everybody knows about it. By then it's too late. You buy when people don't know about it. All right. Now do make sure you do your research. And if you don't have the time to do your research, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And also, you can join my Telegram group, my WhatsApp group. And if you have the time, you can also learn how to trade, right? So, I'm at the airport, so I'm headed to Port Harcourt, and I'm here with Clean. He plays the keyboard, and talk to you soon.